What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another Chico episode. So today we are on a mission, y'all. I'll show y'all more when I get there, but right now we're on the way to the car wash. I currently have to drop this truck off to get some paint dent removal. It's got a couple baby dings on it that, you know, as a truck owner, the more you look at your own vehicle, sometimes you see those little things that only you might see, but they, you know, it throws the whole look off and it makes you think less of what your truck is. And I have one out here on my driver door. Like I said, I'll show y'all more when I get off at the car wash. Today's the day we're gonna get these pulled. Hopefully, he said it won't be perfect, and you know, I don't expect much. If we have to repaint the whole thing in the future, then so be it. We probably will eventually anyway, but you know, just for now, it irks me because, you know, you see those dings on there and you just, you know, you can't have that because it throws the whole look of the truck off. But right now we are on the way to the car wash. It is raining, but the other day I drove it and I hit some dirt piles and it kicked all up, and you know, I'm not tubbed yet, so all that dirt kicked up to the windshield and it's everywhere all over the truck. So right now we gotta go take care of that. I don't want to drop it all damn dirty. We kind of crunching. It's 11, what time is it? It is 11:10 and I have to be at his house at 12. But you know, I want to be a little early just in case, talk to him a little bit. But guys, I'm excited. Stay tuned and I'll show y'all more of this dent when I get to the car wash. I need an opinion. Help me decide what to do because I'm currently stuck in a situation. It's not a bad situation. I'm either thinking we go ahead and get double sunroofs done to the crew cab, or should we do stars? Now here's my thing. I don't want to do the double sunroofs because I'm always sketched out in the back of my mind that they will leak because, you know, it's not original and the seals, you know, anything could go wrong. And with my luck, guys, it would probably leak. And if I do just stars, the only thing I would have to do is pull this headliner down, redo the headliner, which would probably be black suede, and then throw like a 1,000-piece Starlight kit in there. If any of you guys right now watching have double sunroofs and have good experiences, got bad experiences, or just have an idea or give me an idea of what to expect, let me know down below because guys, it's about that time. This headliner is it's one of those things. It's throwing me off. Look at this. It's hanging right here. It's hanging over there. And you know, I'm trying to get this truck looking all right at least. Looks like I'm the only one here, guys. Who else is gonna wash their truck in the rain? We're here at the car wash, and let me show y'all this dent I was talking about. Like I said, it's not that big, but it bugs me. You know, every time I get in the truck, it just bugs me. So we're getting it removed. So right here, y'all see this? You can kind of get a little glance of it. And there is another one down here, but I don't know if you can pull this one out. But he said he can get this one out for me, and you know, it just make a big difference. Cause see, now that I pointed it out, you guys, you might be able to see it a little more, but it just bugs me so much. So hopefully we can get that pulled, and we're dropping it off right now. So I got to get this thing washed because it is kind of filthy. We got to get this thing clean because I can't drop it off dirty. Even though he is just messing with that, you know, it just bugs me to see it like this. Who else washes a truck in the rain? Only me, I guess. Only me. Y'all let me know how she looks with her wheel lights, man. Look at this. Sheesh. I know it's a little different. You don't see it that much on lower trucks, but you know, it just looks clean in my opinion. They're so bright. It gives it a new look, and you know, I'm satisfied and I really like them. So, you know, they ain't going nowhere. It's cold, man. Sheesh. I finished washing it and I still had 3 minutes and 11 seconds. But like I said, all I needed to do was get the dirt off, the mud, and that's it. I didn't need to add soap because, you know, it stays fairly clean for the most part, but we just had to get that major, just the grime and the mud off, just because it irks me, man. It irks me. So right now we're about to head to his house, and I don't think I'll be able to film him just because I don't want him to feel weird or anything, you guys. So I'm gonna drop it off at his house and then see where we go from there. I might just show y'all when I pick it up, so just stay tuned. We are pulling in to his driveway, and hopefully, cross fingers, guys, hopefully it comes out great. And I'm very excited to see, as y'all see right here, we're almost there. Keep looking down at my direction. It was a long time coming. We needed this done ASAP. So I just got picked up, you guys. Y'all see we got picked up. He said he can get them all out. The top one, he said for sure he might be able to get it without the paint cracking, and the bottom one, he said He's gonna try to get it, but you know, you can't really see that one. So I told him the main priority is to get the other one. But look at this. My baby, my baby. So I'm really stoked, you guys. I'm ready to see this thing, because like I said, it's the little things that bothered me, and that was one of those things. I was gonna sell the whole truck just because of that one little dent, because you know, it just threw me off. But I hope he can get them all out. All right, you guys, so I just got the text from the guy. The truck is ready. I got my brother here. You already know. Came to pick me up to take me over there, man. He sent me some pictures, guys. He got them. I think he got them all out. It looks so much better. The only thing I gotta get rid of now is where I debadged it at. You can still see some of the adhesive tape marks. So I gotta get those taken out. But as far as it looks like on the picture that he got them all out. So you're gonna see. We have made it. Let's see where my truck is right now. Ooh, it's sitting there chilling. I'm ready to see it. Oh yeah, me too, bro. Gotta find somewhere to park. I'm excited. I'm excited. Park behind this car right here.
This man makes his U-turn knowing I can't make this U-turn. Come on, man.
Did y'all see? No more, baby. No more. The only thing he said was the bottom one obviously is just a little bit. And I wasn't too worried about that one. I just wanted to get the main one out. But he got some of that one out too. And it just looks a whole lot better. Look at this. Some slight. There you have it. We got 2 of the major dents that were bugging me fixed on the crew cab. We still got some on the bed, but you know, if we're gonna be doing burnouts later, we might end up swapping the beds or having to repaint it anyways. But for now, those 2 are gone, so I'm very satisfied. If y'all are local and y'all need some dings or something fixed on y'all's trucks, your cars, anything, guys, hit up my boy Matt over there at Dent Recon. I'll put his little information card right here, guys, so y'all hit him up. If y'all anywhere local, he is located in Valdosta, Georgia. So huge shout out to him, man. He got me in and out, like I said, no problem. He took care of me, got me right, and now we're all happy, you know.
We're up early today, and look where we at. It's been a minute since we've been here, bro.
Hey, it's been a minute.
Yeah, hey, look at the high country, bro.
Oh my God.
God, it breaks my heart.
This is why it's been a minute.
yeah, I don't miss going up and down these dirt roads, bro.
But Nando got us up early, don't he?
Yeah, we're gonna be working on some customer trucks or something. I don't know. Let's see. But it's freezing.
Oh yeah. So Nando, it's been a minute.
No, pachao.
Anyway, so we got this truck in. It's got, what drop did it have?
4.6, bro.
4.6. So we're getting rid of the 4.6. We just did the back. We did everything. We took the flip kit off. We had to swap the leaves over to the top of the diff, and now we put the block in, put the new shocks, and getting it ready. It's ready now. You want to jack it down for him?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Got my 24K carrot.
Calm down,
chain,
Mr. T.
No puedo, lo que.
This fast. lay off the food, bro. Huh?
¿Qué pasa por abajo?
Just roll over. Boom. So we got all this knocked out in about an hour or so. But look, this is the new trim, man. Look. So it's got 6 in the back and 4 drop in the front. Let's see how this thing sounds, y'all. Oh, jump. Sheesh. What the heck did he hit? It's just a block. We got the front all on jack stands, getting ready to tear it all down. And Nando said we're gonna put a what, 6-inch lift on here?
Yeah, pues vamos a poner el de FTS a 8.
So we're doing 8 inches. Yeah. Okay.
Something slight,
Something
but
slight.
it's already sitting high.
We gotta listen to the boss man Nando today.
Todo nuevo.
Todo nuevo-ish.
Peter? Hit it well, hit it well.
Bro, what the heck, man?
Show them guns, man.
Hold on, bro.
Out of breath?
Yeah.
You gonna finish it off or what?
Nah, let Daniel.
He's tired, yep. Nando, where you been at, man? They ain't seen you in a minute. Heck yeah. Dang, Webble. You couldn't finish the job, huh?
I had to loosen up for him. El que sabe, sabe. That's how she turned out, guys.
New trend.
You got no bed on the truck right now. That thing is tooted. Not really tooted, but it's like perfect. Probably with the bed, the weight of the bed, it's gonna lower the back down a little bit.
Look what my boy Nando rigged up. We got a strap, hit it on there, coming back, and another strap over there to pick the bed up on a cherry picker, or a cherry pull or whatever. But hey, we got it, man. Look, this is how she sits. We'll get y'all some cinematics when we're done.